guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Caroline. Okay, so today I have a video. Mind you, I look busted, y'all. I'm gonna go get my hair done this week, so don't mind the way I look. But I'm editing this video and I realized I didn't intro the video. So I'm gonna do that now. Today's video is I decorated my mom's house for Christmas. She just had a baby. He's 2 months old, the cutest thing ever. So, you know, when you're a new mom, you're like, listen, I don't got time for all that. So I flew to Ohio with her and we decorated her house. I love how it looks. It's very similar to the things that I'm doing in my house this year, which stay tuned because all those videos are coming very soon. I'm actually working on them since I've gotten back. So stay tuned for those. I'm super excited to show you guys all the things that I'm doing. I'm loving everything. I'm definitely going more traditional this year, which is so surprising for me because traditional scares the crap out of me because I'm just more, you know, glam. But anyways, that's not what the point of this video is. So I'm going to show you guys how I decorated her house and how beautiful it looks, and I'm so excited. I hope that you guys enjoy. Don't forget to join the family and subscribe, and we're almost at 500, so I'm so excited. Anyways, guys, enjoy.
Okay, this is the damage for half of a day. Now to put it up. You have some coffee to get this all done. Okay, so I just put this tray with this gingerbread house that we got from Hobby Lobby. It was $30 after the 50% off. But I think it looks so cute. And then it turns on. So we just got to get batteries for it. And then we're thinking one of these candles somewhere here. So she has crushed candy cane, frosted cranberry, and then champagne toast. So I'm thinking one of the red ones, maybe this one. Now we just got to find somewhere to put it, like something on top. We'll see. And then over here we got these mats from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, Dollar Tree, guys. Look how pretty they are. And we also got these from the Dollar Tree. So we're going to put that with these napkins we got. These are from Home Goods. It brings 12. So we're going to figure it out. I'll show you guys how it turns out. Okay, I got too excited and decorated without recording. I'm a genius, guys. Anyways, I'll show you guys later once it's all done. Okay, so she has two trees. The main tree I didn't decorate. She's just going to do that one herself. But she wanted me to focus on this tree because this is baby Adam's tree. It's a snowman tree. We wanted it to be fun and festive. It's going to be in the main area where he's at and where she's going to be taking care of him. So we just wanted that area to look really cute and traditional. So that is why we chose this tree and in this location.
Okay, guys, so believe it or not, most of the things on this table is from the Dollar Tree, except the placemats. The placemats are from Hobby Lobby, and those were $4 each or something like that. But they're super, super good. Like, they're a nice material. And then the floral arrangement is also from Hobby Lobby. The vase, I believe, is from Home Goods. Okay, so the garland, the ribbon, and the picks on the stairs is all from Walmart. And then we got this throw blanket and those pillows from Burlington, and I believe they were $10 each, if not $12.99, but super cute. Okay, so that is my mom's house. I think it's so beautiful. The red just adds life to it, okay? So, make sure to comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And make sure you guys are subscribed. You have your notification bell on so that you get a notification every time that I post. Because the ones that are coming, I'm really excited. And I know you guys are going to be excited too. So, anyways, love you guys. Bye.